because we see couples from around the world, the staff have become adept at helping them find hotels, many of which we've worked out special deals with for them, help them to find transportation, get them oriented to San Diego, things to do at night, kind of a concierge service to help patients to be able to come enjoy San Diego and have their fertility needs met.
We have the beach, the mountains, Balboa Park, San Diego Zoo. Just all of San Diego is a great place.
If they're from out of town, we try to do a consultation, say on a Thursday and a surgery on a Friday. I let them know how long they should be staying, when's safe to fly.
It's stressful trying to get all of the logistics worked out, and so trying to minimize their stress and give them options that they can choose from as far as places to stay, and just having information for them. It'll be this date, this time, this place, I believe reduces their stress a lot.
People literally will fly around the world to come see us here for their care once they realize there is hope and that we have a strong track record of being able to make things happen for couples.